Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: charged devices, same Apple ID, and up-to-date software. Once confirmed, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Pair New Watch. Make sure to choose the automatic pairing animation and hold the watch face inside the camera frame. This links the devices securely. If you're moving to a new iPhone, select Restore from Backup when prompted. These steps start the only supported transfer path, so proceed without switching apps or interrupting Bluetooth. Once pairing begins, you'll choose Restore from Backup to copy settings, apps, and health data. You're doing this because it preserves watch faces and complications. Make sure to grant health and activity permissions when asked, and keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on so data flows continuously. While apps reinstall, watch battery may drain. Plug into its charger if needed. The phone will show progress. Be patient, because app reinstallation and complication syncing are the slowest parts of the process. You finish by confirming content. Open the Watch app to check faces, notifications, and health data. If everything matches, keep the devices linked and allow a final background sync. If progress stalls, first reboot both devices and try the pairing again. Often that clears Bluetooth hiccups. If problems persist, unpair the watch from your old iPhone. This creates an encrypted backup, then repeat the pairing and restore. This sequence is the reliable, supported way to copy an Apple Watch to a different iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.